Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. Have you ever been stuck and not know what to do? Or maybe you're stuck right now and you're not exactly sure how to solve that. Well, there's simple solutions to get unstuck. So think about what, right now, if you're stuck, think about what that thing is. Think about what that looks like. Think about how it feels. And once you do that, you're going to realize that you're standing in a space and a place in your life where your mindset is stuck. It's not just you and your life and the people around you and they're controlling you, or the environment is controlling you, or the government, or whatever circumstances are happening. It's not just that. It's you. It's your mind, because you're thinking thoughts that are keeping you stuck. You might be thinking, I'd like to do something, but. And as soon as you say but, that's a sign that you're stuck. And then if you're stuck, it's a matter of pivoting. So there's a simple practice that you can do to pivot. And it might sound a little bit outlandish, but this is outside the box thinking. So if you're stuck, you can actually write the problem down on a piece of paper, put it in the middle of a table, kitchen table, put it down there, and then stand there and look at it and ask yourself, why am I stuck? And have a notepad with you and write down whatever those thoughts are. But then you can move around the table. You can move to the right side and then and ask yourself, okay, well, if I was over in this position and looking at the problem from this angle, what could I do to solve it? And then you can keep going around the table. This is something I learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. You might think it's foolish, but it's not. You're asking yourself questions. What can I do to solve this? What can I do to move in the right direction? And what can I do to feel better? And as soon as you start to do that, your mind will start looking for answers. There's a part of your mind called the reticular activating system. It's called the RAS. This is science, and it's proven, and it's true, that you have a part in your mind, this RAS, that wants to solve problems. It wants to solve all your problems. So when you ask it questions, it seeks to solve that problem. So you can move around asking questions to yourself and see what comes, because you need to change your perspective. You need to change what you're seeing and what you're thinking, what you're doing. Because the mind that caused the problem isn't going to be the same mind that solves it. You have to have a different mindset. The other thing that I want to share with you, which I posted down below here, is this little practice. It's combining your solution to something else. Now, I'll give you something that works for me, and it's because I like to write, I like to journal. So if you're somebody who likes to write and you like to journal every day, maybe every night you write in your journal, what you can do is you can combine that with the solution to the problem that's keeping you stuck. And so you can actually do a couple of things. You can set an intention at night for the solution to that problem, and then you can also write what evidence showed up that day to solve that problem. So, for example, today, and check out the sun this morning. Oh, you can't see it. Today, what you can do is you can write down the problem and come up with a solution to it. You can think, if I solve this problem, what would my life look like? What would that look like? What would it look like? Who could come into my life? What opportunities could come? And then how would I solve it? And you can do that very easily in writing, make it up, and then at the end of tomorrow, write down what evidence showed up for you. The people that showed up, the opportunities, the potential, the solutions that showed up. So you have the power. All you have to do is take action and shift your mind, pivot. And once you do, solutions are going to come and things are going to change and you'll get unstuck. So if you found value in this video, post a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.